If you're planning a beach vacation in Kerala and specifically searching for beach resorts with private pools, you will notice that Kerala offers many different types of luxury beach stays. Some resorts are built on cliffs overlooking the Arabian Sea. Some are located inside eco-friendly coastal villages. And some combine beach views with backwaters and wellness retreats. Private pool villas have now become one of the most important features of luxury travel in Kerala because travelers increasingly want privacy, personal space, and quiet environments during their stay. The first major destination is Kovalam. Kovalam is one of the most famous beach destinations in Kerala. It is known for its elevated cliffs and three crescent-shaped beaches. One of the most well-known resorts here is Niramaya Retreats Surya Samudra. This resort is unique because many of its villas are actually traditional wooden houses that are more than 300 years old, restored and placed on a cliff overlooking the sea. The family pool villa is one of the most private accommodations here. It includes a private plunge pool, living space, and outdoor areas designed for complete seclusion. Another luxury resort in Kovalam is Taj Green Cove Resort and Spa. This property combines Kerala architecture with Balinese-style villas. It sits on a hill overlooking a lagoon and the sea. The presidential villa includes a private pool with wide ocean views. Guests often highlight the sunset boat rides and evening high tea experiences offered by the resort. Because the property is spread across 16 acres of hills, guests usually move around the resort using buggy transportation. Another iconic resort in this region is the Leela Kovalam. This resort was designed by the famous architect Charles Correa and is built on a cliff above the Arabian Sea. Some of the Royal Club villas and presidential suites include private pools and sun decks with ocean views. However, because the resort is very large, it feels more like a grand hotel than a secluded boutique retreat. Another interesting option near Kovalam is Rock Home at Lighthouse Beach. Rock Home is a 5-star adult-only resort that focuses on yoga and Ayurvedic wellness. It offers ocean view suites and private relaxation spaces designed for peaceful stays. Now let's move to another beach destination in Kerala, Varkala. Varkala is unique because it is the only location in southern Kerala where cliffs directly face the Arabian Sea. Luxury options here are smaller and more boutique compared to Kovalam. One of the main resorts is Elixir Cliff Beach Resort and Spa. The resort offers sea view suites with large balconies and an infinity pool facing the ocean. Many travelers choose this property because it provides a quieter experience compared to bigger luxury resorts. Varkala also has several private villas such as Neela Private Pool Villa and Sarang Resort, which allow guests to rent an entire villa with a private pool and kitchen. These options are popular with families and long-stay travelers. Another important luxury beach area in Kerala is Mararikulam, often called Marari Beach. Marari focuses on eco-luxury resorts surrounded by coconut groves and fishing villages. One of the most famous resorts here is Marari Beach Resort by CGH Earth. This resort is spread across 30 acres of coconut groves and organic gardens and is designed like a traditional coastal village. The deluxe garden villas with private pool are the most premium rooms here. Each villa includes a pool inside a private garden surrounded by tropical plants. The resort is also known for responsible tourism and even has a 4-acre organic kitchen garden used to supply ingredients for the restaurant. Another luxury wellness resort near Marari is Karnusti Ayurveda and Wellness Resort. This resort is designed mainly for Ayurvedic treatment programs rather than casual vacations. The largest villa here is the Punag Pool Villa, which covers around 236 square meters and includes a private pool, jacuzzi, rain shower, and outdoor deck. Guests usually stay here for multi-day detox programs such as Panchakarma therapy. Now let's move to Bekal, located in northern Kerala. Bekal is less crowded than southern Kerala and is known for large luxury resorts built near both rivers and the sea. One of the most impressive resorts here is Taj Bekal Resort and Spa. The villas are inspired by the design of traditional Kerala houseboats and are arranged in private clusters across the property. Many villas include secluded lap pools inside private gardens, which makes the resort popular with honeymoon couples and celebrities looking for privacy. Another major resort in Bekal is the Lalit Resort and Spa. This property covers around 26 acres and is surrounded by backwaters on 3 sides. The Lalit is known for its luxury spa suites and its internal lagoon that flows through the resort. Check the link in the description. Search the homestay name and book to get discount.